Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today I'm going to go straight to the point. I don't want to waste your time, okay? So if you find this video, count yourself lucky. Guys, please don't invest in this X2, okay? I'm going to tell you the reason. So what this X2 simple mean is, once I click on this X2, you can see double balance, okay? Double balance as X2, double your share balance with this limited time offer, available only once, okay? So the reason why I'm asking you not to invest, because this is like investing, okay? Because what other people don't tell you is that once you try to connect this without having like 0 point something, I think a 0.5 or 0.13 tone on your wallet, if you don't have, it won't connect, okay? I think if you have been watching other videos, you will notice that you won't be able to connect this X2, okay, times 2. So what this times 2 is, not that you are going to earn times 2 of this 17M that I have here. Is not that you are going to earn times 2 once you connect it, okay? What this means is that this is just like if you are tapping like this, the way I'm tapping, okay, you are going to be, it's going to be like times 2 of this tapping I'm doing right now. You can see what I'm doing. This is going to be times 2. So what you are going to do after this video, I'm going to advise you on what you're going to do. But before then, please guys, have you subscribed to this channel? If you haven't done that, please do it right now. So guys, what I'm trying to say here is that every airdrop, you don't need to pay money in order to do any airdrop, unless you are farming, okay? Unless you are farming. But this is just tap. You can see what everyone are doing. So what I'm trying to say is that don't invest any money here. Just keep doing what you normally do every day, okay? Just keep tapping. Don't invest in this particular, because there's no way you are going to connect this without paying money. Once you connect it, make sure that you have money. But if any airdrop or any project are asking you money in order to earn in their airdrop, it simply means that that particular product is scam, okay? They are trying to scam you. But here I'm not going to call TapSwap a scam, or I'm not going to say that it's legit until they list this coin. Do you understand? So what you're going to do is that keep tapping, normal tapping that every one of us do. Don't even try to connect your wallet, okay? Let me just give you example right now. I don't have money on my tone, okay, I don't have money on my tone. So what I'm going to do right now is to click on this X2. I click on connect. Then I'm going to connect with my Telegram. Let me check my Telegram tone. So I'm going to click on connect. So you can see that I have connected. So you can see what they have said, that I need one tone in order to be part of this. Do you understand? I need one tone. Before, I think is 0 point something tone, but now is one tone in order to participate on this. Who does that? This simple mean that, do you know how much it will, those guys will make? Do you know how much those guys will make by charging you one tone, multiplied by millions of people in their project? Is a hell lot of money, guys. I'm not asking you not to invest, and I'm not also asking you to invest such amount, okay? You are the one to decide what to do. But for me, this is no for me. I'm not going to invest any amount of money here, okay? I'm going to be using or doing the ones that I know how to do, that's tapping, okay? Because this is not like they are going to give you times 2 of this 17 million that I have here, okay? This is not something like that. It simply means that they are going to be giving you times 2 of your tapping, okay? If this is 12 as it is now, it's going to be 24. That's what I understand about this. So what I will advise you to do is to keep tapping the way the normal one we normally tap, okay? That's the only thing I'm going to tell you to do. So if you come to this place right now, this boost S2, You can see 0.5 here, but normally you guys saw what we did right now. I connect mine and it's telling me to invest one tone. You can see it here, but here you can see that both x2 is 0.5. I click on that, you can see what those guys are doing. So which one are we going to believe? You can see it. Take advantage of this limited time offer to boost your productivity. Purchase this boost to permanently multiply your tap and boost income by ×2. So once I click on buy here, it's going to connect my wallet, and I'm going to, you can see insufficient fund because I don't have money on this particular wallet. Okay, so this is no for me. This is no for me. This is the reason why Notcoin is going to be bigger than all those coins. Okay, Notcoin is going to be bigger than them, and I'm going to share with you how you can make $1,000 with Notcoin in the next video. So what you are going to do right now is to make sure that you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and also join all my social media, join my Telegram, join my WhatsApp, join my TikTok, join us here. Okay, subscribe and turn on the notification bell because you are going to enjoy it. Okay, but if you feel like you have the money and you want to invest on this, good and fine. Okay, good and fine, you can do that. But if you feel like you don't want to waste that such amount of money, you can leave it. Like I said, that I cannot say that this TapSwap is a scam, and at the same time I won't say that it's legit, because any project that asks you to invest money in it, I don't normally trust all these projects. Okay, so you are the one to decide. That's why I say that this is red flag for me. Okay, this is red flag. So you are the one to decide. You are the one to decide. So but I prefer using the normal tap. Okay, I prefer using it. And another thing I want you to do right now, okay, those guys are blocking so many accounts. Those guys are blocking so many accounts. So what I will ask you to do right now is very simple. I'm going to teach you this. If you have been using this auto clicker, please reduce the way you use it to work on this TapSwap. Okay, because they are going to block your account. If you are using VPN, okay, if you have been using it before, what you are going to do right now is go and delete the cache. Okay, delete the cache and also delete your VPN in your phone, because all your information, all the tapping that you use is being stored in their database. So they are going to track you and block you. So what you are going to do is to delete it and come to your Telegram. I'm going to tell you another thing you are going to do right now. Go to your Telegram. So come to your Telegram, you see where I'm touched. Okay, so once you click on that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on setting. And once you click on setting, come to this data and storage. Okay, once you click on data and storage, come to this place. You can see where I'm touching. You can see it, this storage, this data usage. Just click on that, clear your caches. Okay, clear your caches by clicking on that, clear it. Then you go back. This will automatically delete anything that is being stored on your phone. Okay, it will help to delete the storage, the TapSwap, the VPN, and so on. Okay, so do this right now so that you will be in safer hand. So that's what you should do right now. Do these two things that I ask you to do. Don't invest unless you have the money to invest. If you feel like you want to invest, you can invest, but seriously, I don't invest in this kind of stuff, because you won't ask me to test your product, and you also asking me to invest in the project that is not yet launched. Okay, I don't think I'll do that. But if you feel like you want to do that, you can do it. Okay, the two update that I said let me share it with my friends. Okay, so what you will do in order to encourage me to do more is to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Please make sure that you keep following us, because I'm going to drop another video that will melt your heart. Okay, this video is something that will make you to generate a lot of money in this crypto space. There's a lot of secret that you don't know, that you need someone like me to tutor you or guide you on how you can make this money during this bull run. Okay guys, keep making money, keep winning, and keep blessing your family. See you guys at the top.